Hi, I want to talk about removing items from an existing estimate. Now, the best way to build things is to mark each record with maybe the location where it came from, or what what part of the job it was in the first quarter of the year, last quarter of the year, or maybe what the subcontractor was. It's always good to label the rows in your estimate using these three columns as tags. But when we remove items from the estimate, we can really use any column to remove the items. And I'm going to show you how to use the search tool. This is new. This is not in the 2015 version of the software. I'm going to drop down the search tool, and we are going to search the location column, and I want to get rid of all of the building 17 items. Okay, so I'm going to type in BLDG 17, and I'm going to search for those items, and I found four records. You see right now I have 59 records in this estimate. Now this drop down here, everything is in the same order as it is across the top of the grid. So the item code, the unit of measure, the OR column, it's all in the same order of the columns across the top of the grid. And we're going to use the location column, and we search for that. You see that when we got the search results back of 4 records, this button appeared on the panel, and this is the new feature of the software. If I click on this, it's going to delete those 4 records, and when we get done, we should have 55 records in this estimate. So I'm going to click it, and it's going to give me a warning message. Pay attention to this. We're only going to delete the 4 records and currently shown in the blue grid below. The delete record process cannot be reversed. Are you absolutely sure? Yes, we're going to delete. Okay, and we're down to 55 records. So we can use that search tool on the blue grid to delete rows within the estimate based on any criteria you want. You can get rid of all of the meter items. Okay, now let me show you something that I added to the search tool this afternoon. I want to get rid of all of the meter items, but we have meters squared and we have meters cubed. So if I, on the unit of measure, if I use a single quote M and another single quote, it's going to get rid of all the linear meter items. It won't find the meter squared or the meter cubed items. So now I can just find the meter unit of measure. Okay, and we have 9 records, so if I delete it, that's going to be down to 46. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Now if I cancel, it's going to leave everything alone. I'm going to go ahead and delete, and you see we're down to 46 records, and the new total is there. So I hope that helps you if you find yourself in need to delete some items. If you need to delete certain items, just put a tag on there and say delete that one, and then search for that tag and delete those rows. I hope that helps you.